I was working with Excel files in Java project and I was getting this error. Accessing unreadable inputs or outputs is not supported. Failed to create MD5 hash for file in Apache FOI. So reason why this error was coming is because I was trying to run the code and in that code I was trying to read and write to the Excel file. But if that Excel file is already open in the system, then this particular error occurs. Okay. So before running the code, make sure that that file has been closed. Maybe you need to go to the processes of Windows as well and close that Excel from there. And then if you run the code, this issue should get resolved. Okay. So just make sure that that file is not open already. Thank you.